Refund from TradingView. In today's video, you are going to learn how to get refund from TradingView. So welcome to the channel and let's get started. First of all, if you have an annual plan and it's worth 14 days of renewal, you can request a full refund by contacting TradingView's support team. For monthly plan, refunds are not common but may be considered case by case, so it's best to reach out to support and explain your situation. And if you made your purchase through the Google Play Store or Apple Store, you will need to request a refund directly from that app store using their official refund processes. If you were charged but never registered an account, report the issue to your bank as an authorized charge and also contact TradingView support for assistance. Always make sure to include your billing information, purchase date, amount, username, and email address when contacting support so they can verify your request quickly. So this is how to get a refund from TradingView. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.